Hi! In this video I'll be doing some short tests of the 3 modes of the Eachine E016F, a cool drone that can also be used as a hovercraft. My son also helped me test it, as I bought this mainly for him. He loves it and you'll get to see how he does with it later in the video. Let's start off in the water. It does just fine in a small pool. It's not very fast, so you will have time to steer it before hitting the walls, most of the time. I wouldn't say it's really a hovercraft as it just floats due to the foam base, but still it's good fun on the water. Having 2 of them in racing would be even more fun. Now let's see how it does on the ground. I was curious if it could run on short grass, but again the 2 downward-facing motors don't have enough power to make it hover. On hard smooth surfaces on the other hand it does okay. It even survives a fall. Indoor is probably what it was designed for. It runs well on smooth hard surfaces, but since there is less drag than in the water it's a bit harder to control when turning. The cats seem to enjoy it though. Now probably most wonder if it can run on carpet. The one I used to test is very smooth, yet the drone still struggles to get across it. If you hit it at high speed it might go across, but stop and you'll have a hard time getting it going again without a little push. Now, for the flight test. This is a drone after all. It has the usual features ready-to-fly drones have, such as rates, headless mode and stunts, but it's not very easy to fly. I blame that mainly on the controller. It's really small, more appropriate for a child's hands, and the sticks aren't very smooth. It is probably intended more for kids, so it's fine as a toy-grade drone, especially for the price point. Outside, in mild wind it's decent, again a bit hard to control. But again, this is intended to be flown indoors. The prop guards and its small size ensure it won't do any damage, even in new pilots' hands. Flight time is about 5 minutes. I charged the battery when the drone was out of power to lift off the ground, and my charger showed it took 306 mA to fill it up, pretty close to the claimed 350 mA capacity. Now, for the real test. Again, the small size and prop guards made me comfortable letting my 4-year-old son use it. I knew us and our pets will be safe. Still, always read the instructions that come with your drones. Even something small can do damage if not properly used. He enjoys flying the most. A big bonus for him is that you can also fit a Lego piece on top. That's half the fun. Let's hit the floor. After all, this was the main reason I wanted to get this. Back to the pool again. Here we have the Lego figure on it, doubles for a grab point as well. One thing I can tell you, it is water resistant. First time we put it on the water he thought it would be a submarine. We dried it out and it still works fine. As a conclusion, this is a nice toy. It's not for someone that wants something fancy, but since it can be used in multiple modes it can offer hours of fun. Good value if you get it for under $20. I feel it does best on water, but in the right condition it handles floors and flying decently. The controller is its weakest point, but on the other hand it's sized right for children. It's also very durable and safe to use, so you can trust your kids playing with it as long as they understand how to use it. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed it, tell me your opinion in the comments and subscribe to our channel.